key of B flat. Okay, I'm gonna play it in the key of F as well, so that if you don't get anything, you can also play. And maybe I'll chip in the key of C as well. Okay, and C. All right. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first chord is it. All right. So this is the first chord. So what am I doing? I'm doing E flat on the left. All right. E flat, B flat, E flat, G, C, D, and G. All right. Then, all right. So I'm doing the G, I'm doing the D. All right, on the left, G and D. Right hand, G, B flat, D, F. All right. So the first one. All right. Second one. Then third one. All right. The third, I'm doing F, B flat, and D. Right hand is doing the same chord, F, B flat, and D. All right. Then this. Okay. I'm doing the F, C on the left. Right hand is doing the F, G, and C. All right. So let's go. Okay, one more time. Okay, so that is all they used to this particular song. Okay, so let me try to sing it.
Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you. Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you. Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you.
Alright, so that is that for the key of B flat. Alright, so let's come to key of F. I'm going to play in the key of C as well. The chord progression is, I'm doing B flat, F, and B flat on the left. Right hand is doing the D, G, A, and D. Okay. Then I'm doing the D, A, right hand, D, F, A, C. Okay, first chord, second chord, then we play. Okay, I'm doing C, F, A, right hand, C, F, A. Both are playing the same chord. Okay, then I'm doing C, G, C, D, G. Alright, so in all it will sound like this. Alright, so one more time.
Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until until I look more like you. Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you.
Alright, so that is that for the key of F. Let me play in the key of C, okay? Okay, so in the key of C, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Alright, so the first chord is this. I'm doing F, C, F, A, D, E, A. Alright, so then the second chord is this. Okay, I'm doing A, E, right hand, A, C, E, and G. Alright, then I'm doing G, C, E, G, C, E. Then G and D, G, A, D. Alright, so let's go. I'm sorry, I can't sing in the key of C. Okay, so let me try to pitch in the words. Until my only gaze is you, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you. Alright? Until my only gaze, Spirit keep brooding over me, until I look more like you. Guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't. There's more video that is coming your way. Feel free to request. I hope it helps. Have a nice day and God bless you for subscribing.